Hi, my name is Mohammed. I'm from IBIS and Co Limited. I'm here today to talk to you about the expenses which a person can claim against their income, either if he's working as an employee or working as a self-employed. There are a lot of expenses whereby employees they pay on their behalf, and they pay those expenses from their personal from their personal account, but this is on the basis of performing their duties, i.e., the doctors, physicians, nurses, psychiatrists, marketing consultants. They have to travel, to see their clients, not at their normal working place, but they have to go and see them at their home or at different locations. So if you are the one, if you have to use your personal car or you are using public transport to go and see those clients, so that is the money which you can claim back from the HMRC. So which is a good news. Let's say if a marketing consultant, if he is traveling from London to Manchester to see a client, to visit a client, so the return journey will be maybe up to 500 miles. So he can claim 45p for each mile, meaning about £225 as a tax deductible expense. And over the period of 1 year, if he has traveled, let's say 10,000 miles, which is a qualified business miles, so he can claim up to £4,500 as expenses against the income, and which means if the employer has not reimbursed him those expenses, so he can claim those expenses back from the HMRC. So meaning he will be get a tax refund on those expenses. Likewise, if you are an employee or a person where you have to use protective clothing or you have to buy some tools in order to perform your duties, meaning if a person, let's say if air hostess, if she is using or if she has to buy a uniform in order to perform the duties, or let's say if there's a hairdresser, she has to buy scissors in order to perform the duties. So those are the expenses. They can be claimed back from the HMRC, although these are the expenses, but the condition is they are not being reimbursed by the employer. Let's say if a person is a member of a professional body, i.e. accountant, architects, or solicitors, let's say doctors, GPs, nurses, if they are paying their the professional subscriptions to the professional bodies, that can be claimed back. Uh, and you are in such if you are in such industry where you have to travel and you have to spend overnight, all the expenses which you have incurred on the traveling, as well as hotel accommodation, that can be reimbursed. uh, Sometimes the scenario is that some people, they have arranged with the employer that they have to work from home, and while working at home they are using their broadband, they're using the internet, they're using their computers in order to perform those duties. So all those expenses can be reimbursed. Likewise, if someone, as I just given an example earlier, is someone buying let's say a scissors, as in the case of hairdresser, or a professional person, he has bought a computer in order to perform the duties, and any equipment whose useful life is more than 2 years, so he can claim capital allowances. So we have claimed, in our experience, over the past 3 4 years, we have we have helped a lot of our clients in claiming back all those unclaimed expenses. uh, to our experience, we have notified there are hundreds and millions of worth of unclaimed expenses, which no one has even claimed it. So if you are in such a position that you have incurred those expenses, we definitely can claim it back for you from the HMRC, and definitely there's a tax repayment waiting for you. So please call us on 0208 664 8096.